Hello guys, today we're going to play Stardew Valley and this video will serve as a introduction as well as I've been thinking to create a or make a long form type of video, but this one will be a little bit short as this will be, as I said, an introduction. So my name is Kuya Nicole and I live in the Philippines. My native or I mean my mother tongue is Tagalog, so bear with me if I'm not pronouncing the words correctly. I am still learning. So let's start. Let's begin. So I made this yellow chick farm yesterday or the other day because I'm trying to record this introduction of mine, but sadly or unfortunately the audio recording is messed up and hopefully this one is not because I don't know. I'm gonna repeat it again. So yeah, I wanna play Stardew Valley because this is a cozy game and this will keep me company while I was talking about things about myself or about the things I like. So let's check the weather. Sunny day tomorrow. So I already planted my beans and some parsnip and wild seed. So this is a introduction video, right? I want to discuss the things that mostly interest me. So I really do like to draw. On Facebook, I have a little or humble page which called the same name as mine or nickname. Kuya Nicole. I mostly do streamers, logos, their emotes, stickers, and merchandises. But I also want to try to create my own content because I've been doing it for a long time, but I'm not really into creating content. I don't think that I do have a niche or talent for it, but here I am trying to make one. Yes. I also doing this kind of stuff for me to learn and hone my skill in talking in English because I know it's not that difficult to learn for you or for the others, but that's just my assumption because I am a Tagalog Filipino. I'm not used to talk using in English. So yeah, let's chop down these trees and I'll just create another chest. So I already created three wooden chests, which is for the community center, the organic loots, and the what do you call this natural resources like the rocks and something, anything ores. So let's begin. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. So let's make another chest. I'll just put this right here. So I don't know what I'll put in this. Maybe the fish that we're going to reel. So yeah. What else I would like to talk about? Yes. So I wanna share a little things about me. I've been drawing since I was little, since grade school, because you know the Nokia 3311, if I remember it right, that model of cellular phone. My father has that phone, that specific model, and I remember that it allows you to draw, not exactly draw because you're not using your hand, right? And the screen is so small, but it lets you make pixel arts. Do you remember that? I hope I'm not that old to you. But yeah, so way back 2000s, there's no digital art really. Well, at least for me because I do not have a computer. I only has access to the Nokia 3311 phone. And that's where I find myself interested in making wallpapers or screensaver as we call it way back. This sounds I sounds too old, but yeah, it gives a vibe like in my days, children in my days. So yeah, and along with that, I really enjoy to play, what do you call this game? The game that inspired this Stardew Valley, where you are a farmer as well. Harvest Moon. Harvest Moon. So Harvest Moon. That's the first game I played on Game Boy. So yeah, it ties up because I really like to create screensaver in or on Nokia 3311. There's one instances that I created a fake wallpaper for my father to see when he opened the phone screens. You remember that it says one message received. I imitate that notification and make a screensaver. Then I set it up as a wallpaper. And he's asking me, Nicole, what's this? And I said, maybe you get another message, just check it. But I'm laughing inside because I know that I did that and that's a little silly of me. But hey, it's a little prank, no harm done. Then he said to me that you got a little or you got a talent in making this make me another one. So I created a character like Goku, what else? Voltes 5 Gundam, something like that. And that's where my love in drawing started. So it's day 4, Thursday. Let's water these crops. So I hope I'm not boring you because, well, this is actually a boring video. It's just me talking about myself. Well, that's the purpose of this introduction. I also don't want to crop or cut this video. I want it to be as raw as possible. I don't want to hide my flaws. I just want to talk and to realize if there's things that I need to improve. Because, yeah, in the Philippines, talking English is not that normal or not, it's not usually used to to speak in English. Most likely it's used in work or when you're talking to other visitors or other natives that didn't or aren't talking Tagalog, something like that. So yeah, I keep repeating that because in the Philippines, it's a bit of stigma if you can't really pronounce things right. But for me, I do not really care. I just want to learn. I just want to grow. So yeah, hey. So if you think of it, this game is about growing crops. Well, also chopping down trees. So day 4, I think I would like to forage something, some fruits or anything. Let's just roam around the Pelican Town. Did I say the name correctly? It's Pelican Town, right? This is not the and also this is not the first time I've played this Stardew Valley game. And let's go back or let's get back to the one I mentioned earlier, Harvest Moon. That's the first game I played, and I'm really hooked to it because there's a lot of things to do. And similar to this, as concern I mentioned, this game was inspired by that. So this brings back gold old memories. Gold old memories. That's a tongue twister. I don't know why I'm cutting the fiber, but yeah. So it's still early and we have a lot of stamina left. So let's just forage things up. Maybe fish. I should left the pickaxe and other tools because I do not have a second upgrade, second backpack upgrade. Oh, I see. I now know what's the purpose of this box right here. But I can make another one, I think. So let's see. Seeds. So I'll just leave these things right here. I will not put it in this box. So if I wanted to fish, then I should left this stops, these tools. So let's go. Let's fish. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 10, 11, 12. So we have 11 spots left. I still do not have the gold to upgrade my backpack. So yeah, I'm doing this the hard way. So let's talk to the villagers, to the citizen of Pelican Town. You're the new farmer, aren't you? Yeah. And to this, who's this guy again? Alex. Okay, so okay, cool. So let's fish. Wait, that's Spam, right? Hello, nice to meet you. I'll test my skill in fishing. Oh, so this is the first time I'm gonna try this again. Because I just get the fishing rod from Will or Willie. I can really remember his name. Sunfish, got you. 5 inch, nice. So wait, I'll just check my recording. It's been 13 minutes. So yeah, I'll just talk a little bit more and I'll edit this. I'll not crop the entire video. I'll leave all the talking. I'll just remove the poor timing. So I'll just leave the part, or I'll just cut the part where I'm not talking. So yes, again, I'm Kuya Nicole, a Filipino digital artist, most likely serves or work with streamers locally and internationally. If you are interested to see more of this type of content, please do let me know. And I would also like to know my demographic. So maybe I do not have to talk in English. I can use my mother tongue, Tagalog. Gusto ko magsalita ng Tagalog kasi wala lang, mas madali ko ma-express yung aking emosyon. So what I have said right there is it will be easier for me to express things, emotions, my jokes or punchlines because I'm not really that familiar in English. But yeah, who knows? I'll adapt. Oh, and also speaking of adapt, I really like to read manga and first cash and watch anime. Well, who doesn't, right? But maybe there's people who doesn't like those kind of stuff. But me, I really like to read manga. Lately, I've been rereading JJK, Jujutsu Kaisen. So I just wanna share. But I started where the Shibuya Showdown, or am I correct? Shibuya, basta the showdown, basta. Basta means anyway, something like that. Basta. Bahala na. Bahala na means that's it without further explanation. So I just use Tagalog right there. Let's go. Smallmouth bass. Bass or bass? Hindi ko alam ang tawag dyan. Tagalog na naman ako. I don't know what it's called, I said. So I'll use the energy lev or the stamina lev, and we can move on, and I'll edit this video. I am new to this kind of stuff, although I make emotes, stickers, stinger, introductions, or short intro, animated intro for content creators. I do not have an experience working on mine. So yeah, I am a shy person, no. So this is new for me, and I wanted to be bold with myself this year. I don't wanna tuck myself in without learning new stuff, new things. So yeah, I think it's good. We can end it right here. Oh wait, we hit another reel. So let's do this perfect. No, I jinxed myself. So I thought that every fish you caught will be separately inserted in this what do you call this, hot bar, but it seems that it will stack up like this sunfish. There's two sunfish, but they are in one spot. So you literally can fish anything with when you leave your tools. You get enough space, backpack storage. So yes, I'll just leave it right here. I'll play the game before editing so I can save it. Or maybe let's do it. Let's do it. Let's save it. Come, now follow me. Follow me. I don't know if smallmouth bass or sunfish is required on the community center, but I'm also thinking to play the Georgia Mart this run, this playthrough. So I think I do not need to reserve this what do you call this, fishes or resources, this forage. But hey, else I'm still deciding on that part. So I'll just leave this here, right there, and I'll put the rest to submission box. I don't know what this box called, but yeah. So let's take a sleep, take a nap, and we can move on. I still have the stamina left, but this video serves as a introduction. And yeah, so it's all right. Good night. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of content, please do let me know in the comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And maybe I'll do a challenge, not just normal playthrough next time. So there's a catch or there's a twist, right? Thank you and peace out. Stay hydrated. Please subscribe.